I've decided to do a live Q&A on Sunday between 8 and 9 o'clock. So to take part in the live Q&A, it's going to be a simple matter of, it'll be $2.99 to come on the live Q&A on Sunday. We can talk about any Roman stuff you like. It's my agent Alex thought it'd be a good idea. A way of making a little bit more money to pay the bills, just being honest with you. And so the link down below is a PayPal link. It's $2.99, or you can just pay the $2.99 and sort of just send me a question or something, right? So, but if you do pay $2.99, make sure you include your email, right? So I'll send you a link directly via YouTube. Or look at these in my classes on a Tuesday and Wednesday. So love you to take part. And again, the Roman period is something that I've published. I've had a book, Romans in South Wales, that was highly successful, that we went to the 3rd edition because we sold out completely on the 1st and the 2nd. Romans in the Vale of Glamorgan, we had Romans in the Vale of Glamorgan, the 1st edition, then we had an updated edition as well, Romans in the Vale of Glamorgan. I've published extensively, more recently, actually, last year, in Council of British Archaeology annual report. So, and obviously I've got other stuff published elsewhere. So, and I've been teaching about the Romans for a long, long time. So if you're interested in any of that, then please let me know. Thank you very much. Oh, and there's a sort of a few things I can retouch that. There's various other things that I can add with this, which I'm not really sure what they are. So anyway, many thanks for that, and we'll just we'll just finish that now. And again, if you're interested, then please let me know. So how do I end this? How do I end this? Oh, weird! I can put weird stuff in the background. How does that go? I've got an eye there. So anyway, hopefully get involved in my Q&A. Thank you very much.